If you're having problem with Monopoly Go profile picture not being changed, in today's video, I'm going to show you some ways that can fix your problem. So before we move forward, make sure that your application Monopoly Go is updated. Head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar type in Monopoly Go. Make sure that you see Play or Open here instead of Update. If you see Update, update your app. Once you do so, launch your Monopoly Go application. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. And now here is the thing that you should know. If you would like to change Monopoly Go profile picture, you also need to change your Facebook profile picture. That is in case you have connected your Monopoly Go account with your Facebook account. For instance, if both of your Monopoly Go and your Facebook account are connected, you can go ahead simply change the profile picture in your Facebook and this will be synced here. In my case, this is my profile and this is also my Facebook profile. So as you can see, both are synced. So if the profile picture of Monopoly Go is not being changed, you may simply open your Facebook and change your profile picture, come back again, and these two will be synced once you refresh the page. Now, even so, if the problem is still not being fixed, then you have to reinstall Monopoly Go. For that, long tap onto Monopoly Go, tap on uninstall, reinstall it, try again, and this shall work.